In the year 1876, intrepid adventurer and recent Danish immigrant to the port of Gloucester, Alfred Johnson, set off on an incredible voyage. Johnson commissioned a local dory shop to build him a state-of-the-art fishing dory. He ordered that the dory be decked over so in the event of a capsize, it wouldn't flood and sink on him. He had incredible plans. Alfred Johnson was setting out in his Banks dory Centennial to set an incredible record, the first solo crossing of any ocean. He would cross the Atlantic single-handed in 56 days.